In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Freshbooks account. Whether you're switching to another service or simply no longer in need of Freshbooks, closing your account can be done quickly and easily with a few straightforward steps. I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you can confidently and securely complete the task. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Freshbooks website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo will open up a drop-down menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. From the drop-down menu, look for and select the option labeled Billing and Upgrade. This section of Freshbooks is specifically designed to handle all billing-related activities, including changes to your subscription or account plan. Once inside this section, you'll have complete control over your billing settings, providing you with the right tools to manage or terminate your account services. Now, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Billing and Upgrade page. Here, you should see an option that says, Cancel your account. Clicking this will initiate the cancellation process. It's always a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure you've saved or downloaded any data you might still need from Freshbooks, as this process will end your access to the account and its contents. After clicking Cancel Your Account, a prompt will appear for you to confirm your decision. This extra confirmation step is intentional, designed to ensure that you don't accidentally delete your account. Take a moment to review any information provided on this screen, as it may include details about what happens to your data or any final charges. If you're absolutely certain and ready to proceed, confirm your decision to delete the account. Once confirmed, the cancellation process will be completed and your Freshbooks account will be closed. It's as simple as that. Remember, if at any point you decide to use Freshbooks again, you may need to start from scratch with a new account. That's why it's crucial to have a backup of all your essential data beforehand. Thank you for watching this guide on how to delete your Freshbooks account. I hope this step-by-step process was clear and helpful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, take care.